So you guys know that this is one of the most unbiased tech channels on YouTube. I give you my honest feedback about everything I review. And so this 2K webcam by Depstech is honestly one of the nicest webcams I've ever seen personally. And I really think you guys should go pick this up. So here's the webcam mounted on my laptop, and I'm going to be doing a video sample of it later on in this video. I'll also put up a quick video that I've been using this on the podcast somewhere on screen here just to give you a quick sample of it. I've been using it on my podcast mainly because it's so sharp and it does a great job with color accuracy and all that. But it's 2K, it's 2560 by 1440p, as you can see here. Really clear images. It also has this blue art technology and high dynamic light rendering that can automatically adjust the lighting, which is pretty sick depending on how dark or bright of an environment you are. Adjust brightness automatically. And I can tell you that it does a great job, especially because I have harsh lighting from my window over here. And so it has noise reducing dual mics, which is awesome. Most webcams come with like a microphone these days, but this one has dual mic audio. That's great for noise suppression. And it has a really wide angle lens, which is absolutely fantastic to capture a lot of people in frame, 86 degrees it says right here. So it can cover an entire conference room if you actually need that. Then we have just a quick video here. But yeah, that's going to be my overall first impressions. The only slight gripe I have with this webcam is that the stand is a little wonky, just because like I have to really tighten it here just to get it to fit on my laptop. So that's just a minor complaint, and I really wish it did have a little screw to mount it on a tripod. But honestly, I think the quality makes up for it. It's a great overall webcam, and I think you guys should go pick it up. I'll link it down in the description. So now let's get into the video samples of this video. Okay guys, so this is going to be a example test video of the actual webcam by Depstech. So sorry for the poor audio quality. I haven't been able to get my microphone to work, so I'm using my built-in laptop microphone. But as you can see, this is the 1080p setting with no filters or anything on. And as you can see, everything is super sharp, has a very wide angle, and you can see my Mandalorian poster in the background. Very clear, and it also does a great job of getting rid of the harsh window sunlight off to my left, your right. So I overall love the quality. The sharpness is great, and you can go in and tweak the settings in whatever program you're in to change the color profile, level of sharpness, the gamma, brightness, and all everything like that. But overall, I think the quality is great. Now I'm going to do a quick video sample of the 1440p setting, so you can see how sharp that gets. It's not too much of a difference, but it is advertised as a 2K webcam, so I wanted to give you that perspective as well. Okay, so this is now the 1440p setting. Obviously, I'm going to be uploading this video in 1080p, so the 1440p is going to be downscaled to 1080. So if you can notice a difference, let me know. I really can't, so I would say whichever setting you want to go with, it's up to you. It depends on, obviously the file size is going to be bigger for the 1440p version of this, but overall I think the quality is great. I haven't messed with any settings in this video sample, so you guys can be the judge of what you think of this webcam. I personally think it's fantastic. I really like the levels of sharpness, and it has 30 FPS, not 60, but honestly I don't think you really need 60 FPS in a webcam. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll leave a link down to this webcam in the description on Amazon. They're currently having a sale. I think it's $24.99, and you can get 5% off with a coupon, so I'll link it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Apologize for the poor audio quality, but I will see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy. I'm going to be doing a headset review by Newbie. They sent me on gaming headset, so look forward to that. I'm going to be using this on the podcast as well. So exciting times, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.